Okay. Let's go. Walk.
Dad, you can't take a camera ride while you're doing that.
Here, let's just walk them out to the end of the driveway there.
Whoa! Beep, beep. There is Charlotte.
Charlotte home?
Oh. My bike wanted to tickle.
Okay, Lo. I am ready when you're ready to go. Feel good?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty rainy out.
Yeah, but it was rainy at Kelly's. 1, 2. Dad, can you get this one?
You got it. You can do it. You can do it on the other one too, you know.
Can you put it in this? I need room to push on. One, 2, 3. Come on, Dad.
Here I come, honey.
Dad, you can pass it out in front of me when it's time to turn.
Okay.
Turn in front of me. I'm getting close. Closer. Get in front of me now.
Okay, I'll go check it. Okay, looks good.
Hey. I'm gonna stop at the white line.
Okay, remember to stay on my right side, right? And stay next to the side of the road. Good job, man.
I scared the little birdies.
Okay, white line stop. Good job. Great job, honey. Yahoo! You want 5?
Yeah.
Oh, one more.
It kind of hurts when I do it really hard because I got my hand all wet.
Oh, okay. Well, we don't want to...
Dad, how about we go straight?
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check out here.
And I'm going to do some left turns too.
Okay, looks like we're all clear. So, right whenever you're ready to go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dad,
Good, honey. Great job. Great start.
I'm closer there.
Huh?
I'm getting closer to there.
You're okay.
Now you have to get in front of me. I'm about to turn.
The turn is clear, hon.
Yes, you are right. But you're going to zip in front of me this one too.
Yeah, I am.
Because there might be cars.
Okay, looks good, honey.
Okay.
Nice turn.
Yeah, can we go on the bike trail too?
Sure.
Okay.
Stay clear. Get on the other side of me, on the bumpity bumps.
Yes, on the bumpity bumps.
Okay, we'll stop at the white line again, right?
Yep. I stopped.
Great job. I'm going to turn this off.